Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are going to solve this 7 whole 1 by 3 divided by 7 equal what? That looks simple, right? But still many people fail to solve this because first we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fractions. So how can we convert? Write the denominator in denominator and multiply the whole with denominator and add the numerator divided by 7. So we are going to use BODMAS rule here because we have given division and addition. So this rule help us to choose which operation we have to solve first. So if we have given multiplication and addition, we have to solve multiplication first. So it's 21 plus 1 by 3 divided by 7. So it's 22 by 3 divided by 7. So there are two different things, 22 by 3 multiplied by 7 and 22 by 3 divided by 7. In case of this, you can multiply the numerator and then divide it with the denominator. But in place of this, you have to follow KCF rule. Here K stands for keep, C stands for change and F stands for flip. That means keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication and flip the right hand. So it's become 1 by 7. So what is our answer? 22 by 21. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.